Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to add cognitive keys on your learning space right on CloudNotte. Cognitive keys are those keys that enable you monitor how a child is developing on critical thinking, monitor how a child is developing on problem solving abilities, and every other area that you are expecting the child to develop. And how do we do that? All we need to do is right on our dashboard on the main menu, we click on settings, and from settings we click on the report sheet. From the report sheet we click on the cognitive keys, and right on the cognitive keys all we need to do is to click on add cognitive keys, and that is what we'll be doing today. So I'm going to click on it, and now if you notice, this is the interface for us to be able to add those unique cognitive keys to our learning space, and it have divided it into psychomotor domains and affective domains, and I'll be filling in those informations real quick. So how do I add psychomotor's domain? All I need to do is to come in here and write and type the name of the domain I want to add to my learning space. So this I'm going to be using writing. And what class is this applicable to? I'm going to be picking all the class I have on my learning space, and once I'm done I just click on the add button, and automatically my psychomotor domain has been added. So the same thing goes with the affective domain. What do I want to add here? Let's quickly add something to it. So I'm going to say that this person is supportive. Okay, what class is it applicable to? All my class, please. Then I'm going to click on add. So the moment I do this, it's added automatically. So I can do this and add as many cognitive as I want. So once I'm done with this space, I can go back to my settings. I want to view the cognitive keys that I have added so far. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to select the class. And as you can see, we have those two cognitive keys that we have added, the writing and being supportive. Whenever you publish your result, these cognitive keys will be displayed on the child's report sheet. Remember, you can add as many cognitive as you want. You can add as many psychomotor domains as you want. You can add as many affective domains as you want. And you can also edit them. For example, this is misspelled. I can come here and edit it, change it to anything that I want, and once I'm done I go back to my settings. So this is how you add cognitive keys right on your learning space on CloudNotte. I'll see you in the next video.